We've got a great treat for you today. These are all Alexander Wang fabrics. And sometimes we're fortunate enough to have the tags inside the tubes. And so I'm going to walk you through and show you some of that. It's really beautiful. This is an embroidered piece of fabric. Both sides are usable. You can decide which side you like the best. It's absolutely stunning. It's 100% cotton with silk threads. Silk threads for the embroidery. Just a stunning piece. I'm going to call it it's more of a brown. It would blend with a camel. It just depends on the camel that you put it with. I chose all of these because brown or earth tones are really strong for spring, but still popular right now. So you see, we just get a beautiful, really beautiful fabric. This is a, you would call it an ITY knit, but we're fortunate enough to have the tag here. The color is called Dark Earth. It's a polyamide and an elastane blend, 7426. It's a smooth shine jersey. So we see what we get is we get a jersey knit, which has great drape, stretch in both directions, and just a beautiful piece of fabric. Now again, these are going to be $9.99 and $12.99, just depending on what we paid for them, but we paid right at that same price. Let me show you this one. I love this because this is stuff we wouldn't know. Again, Alexander Wang, the whole group is 100% virgin wool. It's called a herringbone brown. Herringbone brown is what they called that color. 100% virgin wool. Beautiful. Just a really beautiful piece of fabric. This is a cotton poly. I put it in because it's got a little bit of a suede one side and smooth on the other side. Clearly both sides could be used, but it's just such a great companion to all of these pieces. You can see that dark brown really lends itself beautifully to the others. Leopard, our animal prints continue to be just stunning. That animal print, this is 100% cotton. Alexander Wang does some really beautiful animal prints. This is one of them. It's a brushed cotton. So it has a little bit of texture there to it. It wouldn't change which direction you put it, so you don't need to worry about the nap because of all the colors in there, but it's really, really stunning. 100% cotton, and it's a woven fabric. Then we have this. This is a velour, a brown in color. Again, I'm going to steal the tag because we have it on here. It's called a Melange velour. The color is Cola. And it's a lyocell polyamide blend. So what that means is it's cotton poly. Lyocell burns exactly. Lyocell is actually a rayon, but it's a very upscale rayon. It's when you talk about is it man-made or synthetic, it's considered man-made or synthetic is the same. I'm sorry, a natural or man-made. It's considered both. It's like a rayon. But a lyocell is a type of rayon. However, it's considered better than cotton because it's more absorbent. It has a less wrinkling property than cotton does. It's longer lasting than cotton, but it's when all these fabrics start to be the stress right now is biodegradable, and these are more biodegradable. Lyocell is more biodegradable than cotton. So this is a cotton poly, lyocell polyamide. It's just a really beautiful fabric. It has great drape, and it's the velour. The velours continue to be really strong into spring. This is a brown. It's so hard to find brown right now that it's incredible. Anyway, I wanted you to show them at $9.99. Like I said, these are $12.99 and $9.99, and the goal is happy sewing from Alexander Wang.